This is the best snack that you can ever have. It's just a tomato sandwich. Two pieces of bread, mayo, tomato, and salt and pepper.
Just ask Lou.
And forget it. It really annoys me when I'm doing something and people are standing here interrupting what I'm doing. You see my shirt? It says, keep it simple. This shirt is by the brand Life is Good. I have no idea. I never heard of it before. My friend's sister died. And when we went through her closet, every single shirt that she has is the brand Life is Good. And it has little things like this. See? That's Piglet and Pooh. Come here, Bob. Come up.
That's a boppy head.
He's a boppy head. We literally are going to be stuck in here now for 3 days. The car is parked at the top of the development. And we had to walk up to it earlier. And now we're going to have to get a ride up tomorrow or walk again. I'm going to have some of that.
I'll make one.
I literally just said to him, are you going to make me a tomato sandwich?
Watch out, honey.
And he said, no. And then I came in here to make mine, and he said, are you going to make me one? Are you fucking kidding me?
Is that good?
It's not how we do things around here. Where's the bread? Have a good night, everybody.
Adios.